analyzers, let's take a look at when we use Pythagorean theorem and when we use trig to solve for features in our right triangles, especially when it comes to legs, because that's really when we're getting a little confused on which is which. So the quick reminder that the Pythagorean theorem is, of course, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. It's three sides. All three sides in a right triangle need to be known, right? Or two out of the three need to be known to find the third. Then our trig functions, or trig ratios, excuse me, are the sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent, meaning you need an angle measure and one of two sides. So really, if no angle measure is being involved here, that's going to be a Pythagorean theorem type problem. If you know an angle measure and are missing one of the sides, but know another side, that's going to be trig. Okay. Or if you're asked to find an angle measure, that's going to be trig. So you'll probably use the trig ratios more often than you use the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem gets its heyday using the distance formula. So, don't feel bad for it. Don't feel bad for it. Little Venn diagram to give you a whole what's the commonality, right? What's the commonality between these? So your favorite trash color will give us our commonality, which would be figuring out. We can use these to figure out missing side lengths of right triangles. And that is what both of these will have in common. What they don't have in common is the Pythagorean theorem deals with sides only, and trigonometry deals with angle, measure. Oops, how about I spell measure correctly? And a side. So if you know nothing about angles, you got two of the sides, you're asked to find the third, you're being asked a Pythagorean theorem question, just like this right triangle right here that we did in your notes in lesson 1. If you're told an angle measure and you're told a side and you're missing another side, like we did right here in lesson 4, you are being asked to use a trig ratio to solve it. And that's it. That's the real quick. Then you're going to put this in practice. So on your homework, you want to just label, are you going to use Pythagorean theorem or trig, and then use it to find the missing side. I know, it really was this quick. Good luck, guys. Let me know if you need some help. Doubt you will, but hey, you never know. Enjoy the fact that I used purple for you. I'll see you soon.